Let's take a look at the battle-born 2000-watt inverter charger model BBIC 2000. This is a combined inverter and battery charger. It's designed to convert DC battery power into AC power and to recharge your battery bank when shore power or a generator is available. You'll typically see this inverter charger used in RVs, marine applications, off-grid systems, and mobile power setups where users want an all-in-one power solution with fewer external components. This inverter charger is a great fit for systems built around standard 30 amp service, where managing available power and transitioning cleanly between sources is critical. Like the inverter-only model, this device is built on the same core power platform, delivering the same power quality, transfer behavior, and system intelligence with the added benefit of integrated battery charging. In the box, you'll find the inverter charger, the removable control and display panel with its connecting cable, and a cover plate for remote display installations. Optional accessories are available separately, including a GFCI kit, stacking hardware, and communication cables for integration with external systems. Looking at the unit itself, the first thing you'll notice is the compact footprint. This is made possible by modern inverter and charger design. By moving away from older low-frequency transformer architectures, this true 2000-watt inverter charger can deliver the same power in a smaller, lighter, and more efficient package. You'll see dual cooling fans with clear airflow paths to manage heat under load. On the DC side, you have heavy-duty battery terminals designed to handle both inverter output and charging current. On the AC side, you'll find clearly labeled input and output connections for shore or generator power and AC loads. Your AC in, 3 connections, is going to be for power coming in from shore or generator, and your AC out, 4 connections, is going to be to your distribution panel. The control panel is removable and rotatable, which makes it easy to get a clean install regardless of how the inverter is mounted. This is extremely valuable in tight compartments and custom builds. Here, the panel has already been unscrewed so you can see how it can be rotated to match the mounting orientation, or removed entirely and mounted elsewhere using the included cable. If you do remote mount the display, the cover plate closes off the opening on the inverter itself for a clean, finished installation. At its core, this unit delivers 2,000 watts of continuous pure sine wave AC power. That means the output looks like utility power, making it safe for sensitive electronics and appliances. It also has strong surge capability, delivering up to 4,000 watts for short durations. That surge headroom allows the inverter to reliably start motor-driven loads like refrigerators, compressors, and power tools, which typically need much more power at startup than they do once they're running. As a pure sine wave, you don't get buzzing, overheating, or interference that you'd typically see with modified sine wave inverters. This inverter charger includes a built-in automatic transfer switch. When shore power or generator power is available, the unit passes that power straight through to your loads and begins charging the battery bank. When AC input is lost, it automatically switches to battery power. This transfer happens in under 20 milliseconds. In real-world use, this means no flicker for TVs or electronics, no rebooting devices, and no need for an external transfer switch. It also allows the system to operate cleanly on standard 30 amp RV service without additional hardware. One important distinction on this inverter charger is the dual AC output design. AC output 1 is active both when the inverter is running and when shore power is present. AC output 2 is pass-through only and is active only when AC input power is available. In practice, this allows you to keep critical loads powered by the inverter while automatically dropping non-essential loads when you're off-grid or when power is limited. This power management is built into the inverter with no external relays required. In addition to inverter operation, this 2000-watt inverter charger includes advanced power and charging management features designed specifically for RV and mobile power systems. When connected to shore power or a generator, power control allows the unit to automatically reduce charging current as AC loads increase. This helps prevent tripping breakers when operating on limited power sources like 30 amp service. Inverter Assist goes a step further. If AC demand briefly exceeds what shore power or a generator can provide, the inverter supplements that power with energy from the battery bank. Once demand drops, the system smoothly returns to charging. In real-world use, this allows higher demand appliances to run without overloading your power source, while still staying within the limits of a typical RV electrical service. This 2000-watt inverter charger is designed to integrate seamlessly with Battle-Born lithium batteries, but is also compatible with third-party lithium and lead-acid batteries. It supports multi-stage charging profiles and configurable settings to match different battery chemistries, including lithium iron phosphate. It also includes user-adjustable low battery cutoff settings, which help protect the battery bank and prevent over-discharge. This flexibility makes it easier to design a system that fits how the RV or mobile platform is actually used. The inverter charger maintains high efficiency in both inverter and charging modes. This efficiency translates to less wasted energy, lower heat buildup, and better overall system performance, especially when operating on limited shore power. This is a 120-volt inverter charger designed for 30 amp systems. It will not power both legs of a 50 amp panel on its own. It's intended as a sub-circuit inverter charger solution powering a critical loads panel rather than an entire coach or vessel. Understanding that up front helps ensure the system is designed correctly from the start. The Battle-Born 2000-watt inverter charger combines clean AC power, strong surge capability, and intelligent charging into a single compact platform. For systems that rely on shore power, generators, or integrated charging and want seamless transitions, predictable behavior, and compatibility with standard 30 amp service, it provides a straightforward solution you can design around with confidence.